How to permanently delete your Cash App account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily delete your Cash App account. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you can go ahead and open up Cash App on your device. Once you open it up, you first have to go ahead and withdraw all of the amount you have on your Cash App before deleting it. So basically tap on the withdraw button below your balance, and you can select the amount you want to withdraw with the slider down below. Tap on withdraw, select where you want to withdraw your account, tap on it, and you'll be done. So just close it out, and once your account balance reaches 0, then all you have to do is find the profile icon at the top right corner, tap on it, scroll down all the way until you find the support option, tap on support here, and all you need to do is go to the search icon at the top and search for close your account or close Cash App account. So tap on the link that you see here, close your Cash App account, and it will tell you what happens when you close your account. So everything will be permanently deleted and nothing can be recovered. So if you have any assets in your app, you first have to withdraw them before you delete your account. Tap on confirm and your account will be permanently deleted. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.